Alright, hello again. We are sticking with the chicken sandwich reviews. So today we are going to be doing a chicken sandwich from the crispy chicken sandwich from Dairy Queen. So let's take a look here, see what we've got. Okay, so for starters, it's a pretty simple sandwich. Some pickles in the bottom, kind of dry. Looks pretty good, to be honest. Smells good. Let's try it out. It's extra dry, extra like crispy. Honestly, I think I prefer that to it being like really wet. So, it's also a little fishy tasting though. Let's see about the fries here. The fries are great. That's like, the flavor's really good. They were a little soft, but yeah, it's a pretty disappointing sandwich. It's really thin too. You see, I don't know if you can see just how thin that piece is and just how dry it is. There's no sauce. It's just pickles. It's not great. Yeah. I know they have like catfish at this particular Dairy Queen. I think maybe it wasn't cleaned well enough wherever they were cooking because it tastes like fish. Yeah. Would not recommend. It's still not the worst one I've had. It's like the second worst. I think the Sonic was the worst one, or maybe Golden Chick. But this one, yeah, not great either. Basically, you gotta go to Popeyes or Chick-fil-A for a good chicken sandwich, it seems. I may try some other ones in the future, but I'm probably gonna move to some sort of other food because I'm getting pretty sick of these sandwiches and most of them have been bad. So yeah, I hope that was entertaining enough for you. This is obviously for Sarah. Only redeeming quality is the fries, but still, would not recommend. Alright, we'll see you next time.